Lairai temple is concerned. This is the incarnation of Parvati, according to my information, and people are having abundant faith indicate everything. It's an incident in which certain places lost life. I am expressing my condolence to them. We all pray for them. And this temple is concerned, in future years, we will take more and more care. Everybody. I am not finding fault with anybody on that aspect, because I am not expected to look into those aspects in detail. And I hope 50,000 people. And one important thing is that I am from Kerala. Sabarimala temple is concerned. In my good old my childhood days, there was a system. It is called in Malayalam as RD. RD means fire, walking barefoot. Such system is here. And after clear observance and all type of Buddha, they are doing it. And we will all try to give more care on this aspect. And, of course, people, 50,000 or 60,000 people are gathering. The commercial atmosphere may be there. I am praying all of you, we will be more careful for protection be given to those people are coming from various parts of Goa. And this fire, that aspect needs more publicity. It's a rare thing in the Govan temple. It is there. This fire and walking through. No. So that is only for my purpose of this visit also. I am going to meet almost all important places of worship in Goa. So far 10 temples I covered, and one Vivekananda Swamiji's Ritual Seminary also. That also needs by knowing the people, because after my visit all papers are there. So Vivekananda Swamiji spent 3 days there. It's an important thing for the entire people of not only India, Bharat alone, but outside also. So that things like that in our temple, this type of peculiar system is there. Buddha is there. People are dedicating themselves for Devi Parvati, and other things are there. We will try our level best to give more and more. Purpose of my visit also, I am going to meet almost all temples. Say 1 month I am spending for that purpose. And from Rajabhavan, of course, a nominal amount given to all temples, not only this temple alone. So in that way, prayer, people, all of the people together along with the governor and other officials, MLA and others, we pray for our betterment, welfare of the people, as well as happiness, for the happiness of the people. Our country also, in the recent past, we all know that Pakistan incident and other things are there. So fraternity, and the temple, when I look into this aspect now in the car, it is stated that fraternity, Shakti and fraternity are the two important motto, slogan of our beloved Devi, and that may be spread to everybody here. I am extending thanks for all of you. Thank you.